Welcome, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I am Chev B. Make sure you are subscribed down below. So for today's video, we are about to install this unit from 𝐅𝐵𝐺hair.com, and I'm just giving you guys a rundown of what came inside of my package that you can get on the website. So this hair that we'll be installing is their curly edge 13x6 invisible HD lace frontal. I got this hair in 20 inches. It is 150% density, so that's pretty full without being like overly full. As you guys can see straight out of the package, this is what the curls are looking like. And of course, doesn't matter if it's a curly hair or a straight hair, I am going to be using my hot comb to make sure that that parting is nice and flat. So I'll be using this wax stick that I showed you earlier. Well, it's not the exact same wax stick, but wax sticks tend to last forever. So I've had this wax stick for a very long time. So if you don't have one, you can get it on the website. And once I put the wax stick on where I want my parting to lay flat, I'm gonna go in with my hot comb, and I am not gonna go all the way straight through because this is a curly hair. All we want to get is the root on top to be flat where that parting is. Straight out of the package, I did not experience any shedding with the hair. I'm loving the 150% density as the fullness because it's not too full and it's also not giving super thin. Especially when I style it, it's lightweight and the hair is just fluffy and super soft. So to style the hair, you can always co-wash the hair before styling. So because I'm going to wear this hair right away, I'm just going to fluff out the natural curls that's in the hair. That's how it looked when it came out of the package, but I want to give it a more defined look. And so to do that, first things first, after fluffing it out, we're gonna go in with some water. And y'all, I don't know what is wrong with this bottle. It was sticking so freaking much. So wet the hair all over if you're not gonna wash it right away. And then you want to take a bristle brush, any type of detangling brush that you have, and just comb the hair straight through. As I said, I didn't experience any shedding with it, so detangling this hair was hassle free, and I absolutely love that. Like, look how easy the curls lay down, like instantly. This is some top quality hair. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my serum, and this is the only serum that I use on my wigs because I don't want them to look weighed down, and this serum is super lightweight and it gives a super nice finish without looking greasy. Now I'm gonna go in with my diffuser. I'm gonna put this diffuser in my Amazon storefront. I realized that I didn't have it there, but I use it in practically all my wig videos. So I don't even only use it on my wigs. I use it to dry my natural hair, and also when I do like a cold wash, I use the diffuser. Next, once that is all dried, I'm gonna go back with the hot comb to reform and mold the front of the hair. And now right before the install, I'm just gonna go in with some bronzing powder to darken the lace a bit. Even though it is an invisible HD lace, I like to put bronzer on top just to give it that dark, you know, melanated tone so that it matches me perfectly. So I adjusted the band on the inside for a snug finish. And putting on this wig, because it is a invisible HD lace, baby, it is see-through. It did not play when it said invisible. Like, this is great if you're doing a ball cap method, but if you're wearing a regular wig cap like I am with the lazy girl method, this ain't gonna work because it's gonna be too much work to try to hide that cap. So you know what we're gonna do for the very first time? We're gonna remove our wig cap and just wear the wig as is. And babes, I don't know why it took me this long to realize the wig lays so much better without a wig cap. Like, it looks and lies so much better and effortlessly without a wig cap. Like, why am I just discovering this? Like, I can't even go back to wearing wig caps, especially with the invisible lace, and I'm a lazy girl. Ain't no way I'm doing the ball cap method. It's too much work. It's too much work, and I like to take my wigs off at night. So now we're gonna cut the excess lace, and first things first, I always cut around my ear just to make sure the wig is laying nice and flat. And also this helps if you want to wear your wig without gluing it down. So this is the glueless method. Always cut around your ear first before you do anything else. I got this wig in a medium cap size, and the way she is lying flat on my head, it was super impressive. So I was talking about this dryer. It comes with a detachable diffuser, and also I absolutely love that little piece that's on there that turns. It has been a lifesaver. So I'm gonna go in with my 𝐒𝐵𝐼N spray, and I spray that underneath the lace. I love using 𝐒𝐵𝐼N spray because I've been using it for years and it has not damaged my edges. So I'm gonna keep using it. It's lightweight and perfect for me, especially, again, I'm a lazy girl when it comes to wigs. I like to take them off. I just can't sleep with a wig on my head. I just can't. So the 𝐒𝐵𝐼N will hold my hair in place and also gives a easy removal process. And now it is time to cut off the excess lace. So I wait until the hair, or the lace rather, is dry, and then I'm gonna do a zigzaggedy motion to cut that excess lace and make sure that it's laying nice and flat. Like, look how invisible that is. Now what I always do is, because wig come in a standard frontal look, I want to make sure that it's mimicking my natural hair lining. So I go a little bit back in the front, because that's just how my hair lining is. And then I'm gonna just try to press down those areas that were lifted when I cut off the excess lace. Now I'm fooling around with this curly edges. Like, it's really pretty in theory, but it was just not totally my style to just have the curly pieces just so curly in the front. So I'm like, you know what, girl, we're gonna do a soup to the doop type thing. Like, I just can't do the curls just standing at attention like that. No ma'am, this is in the army. We ain't doing that. So I did a swoop, and then I dabbed some 𝐒𝐵𝐼N on my fingertips and then on the lace, and then we're gonna tie this down for a couple of minutes. Now while I leave the lace to dry, I'm just gonna fluff the hair out, and then I'm gonna go in with some mousse to help define the hair even more. Like, I like to use mousse on dry hair because it enhances the natural curls of the hair without giving like that super wet laid down look. And then we're gonna go in with the ever faithful, the OG spritz to mold the sides in, like give that soup to the doop type finish, give that molded, just effortless finish. And this is what the hair is looking like, and I am obsessed. Y'all tell me how you feel about this hair. All the details will be down in the description box for you down below. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on all social media platforms.